Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we had a quick overview of Python packages. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create Python packages step by step in PyCharm. We'll build a real package from scratch. This package will contain two modules and we'll learn how to import functions in different ways, including specific imports, renaming, and using the dir function to explore contents. Let's begin. First, let's open PyCharm. Create a new folder called Packages. Right-click on the Packages directory, choose New, then select Python package. Let's name this package math_package. So type math, then underscore, then package, all lowercase. As soon as you hit enter, PyCharm will automatically create a folder named math_package with a special file inside called _init_.py. This file makes the folder a recognized Python package. This file can be empty but indicates that the directory should be treated as a package. You can then place your modules inside this directory. Next, let's create two modules inside the package. Now right-click on the math_package folder. Select New, then click Python file. Let's name this file basic_operations. This will be our first module containing simple math functions like add and subtract. Inside this module, we are going to define two functions. Let's type the first function. We start with the diff keyword, then type the function name add, followed by open parenthesis, a comma b, then close parenthesis, colon. Inside this function, we type return, then a plus b. This function simply adds two numbers and returns the result. Now let's define another function. We type def followed by subtract, open parenthesis, a comma b, close parenthesis, colon. Then type return a minus b. This will return the difference between two numbers. Done. We've created our first module. Now let's create one more module. Right-click on math_package again. Click New and select Python file. This time name it advanced_operations. Inside this file, we'll define one more function, square. We type def, then square, open parenthesis, x, close parenthesis, colon. Then inside we type return x times x. This function returns the square of a number. Perfect. Now we have a Python package called math_package with two modules, basic operations and advanced operations. Let's now learn how to use them. Right-click on the packages folder. Choose New, then Python file. Let's name it use_package. Inside this file, we are going to import functions from the package and use them. Let's begin with a full import. We type from math_package import basic operations. This means we are importing the entire module basic operations from our package. To use a function, we must prefix it with the module name. So to call the add function, we type basic_operations dot add within parentheses 10, 5. Then we print the result. So we type print within parentheses the function call. Let's run the program and you will see output 15. Now let's try another way. Importing a specific function. We type from math_package dot basic_operations import subtract. This means we are importing a specific function, subtract, from the basic_operations, which in turn belongs to the math_package. Now we can use subtract directly. We type print within parenthesis subtract open parenthesis 10, 3. Let's run the program and you will see the output 7. Let's now use a function from the second module. We type from math_package dot advanced_operations import square. Then call print within parenthesis square within parenthesis 4. Let's run the program and you will see the output 16. Now let's see how to renaming a module using as keyword. Let's say we want to use basic underscore operations but with a short name. We type import math underscore package dot basic underscore operations as basic. Notice that we are renaming the basic underscore operations module with a short name, basic. Now we can type basic dot add or basic dot subtract to access those functions. This makes our code shorter and easier to read. To see what's inside a module, we can use the dit function. We type import math underscore the package dot advanced underscore operations, then type print within parenthesis dir function within parenthesis the module name. Let's run the program and see the output. This shows us a list of all functions and variables defined in that module. You will see items like square and some special dunder methods. Everything works perfectly. We've successfully created and used our first Python package with multiple modules.